most incredible day today as always. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 6 of LUSHMAS. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the best Lush Christmas gifts for over £20. We've done a under £20 gift option and I thought, you know what, we need to do an over £20 option just in case you guys want to spend a little bit more coin on your friends and fam, so that is what I'm going to be doing today. Before we get into this video, I just need to apologise about my overall appearance today. I filmed this video already on the weekend. I had my hair perfectly presented, it's freshly washed, my makeup was on point, my outfit looked great, and then I went to edit the video and it was all out of focus, so I'm having to film this now. It is currently 6:30 and I've had a full day of work, so I'm tired, my makeup is not great and my hair is gross, but I hope you guys don't mind so much. I know it's not the best and it's not the most festive, but I wanted to get this video done and up, ready to go. So yes, rant over, let's get into the video. Before I get into the video, I do just want to do a tiny little shout out, and that is for the brand Louisa. If you guys have watched my videos for the past month or so, you would have seen that I did a video featuring them a little while ago, and I wanted to do another one because honestly, their jewellery is so nice. So Louisa is a really sustainable company. All their jewellery starts off at $39, so it is really affordable, and they make some insane pieces of jewellery. At the moment they have the biggest sale of the year, so if you guys want to go and get yourself a nice treat or you want to buy a gift for somebody because you haven't bought them a Christmas present yet, then it is a really good place to do so. Honestly, the jewellery is so beautiful, and as you guys know, I wouldn't promote a company if I didn't truly believe in their brand, so yeah, definitely go and have a look on the website. Their holiday sale for 2020 starts on the 2nd of December and it is running until the 26th of December. So you guys have roughly 8 days left of the sale. So if you guys want to get yourself something or you want to buy something for somebody else, it is a really good time to do so because you guys can save a bit of money and get somebody something really beautiful and meaningful and really pretty, so I would definitely recommend it. Just a disclaimer, they aren't paying me to say any of this. They did kindly send me 3 items though, so I will go through those now just to show you guys what I picked and recommend you guys what I picked because I love them all. So yes, I'm going to show you guys what I chose. So the first item I chose were the Tiffany earrings. I will be doing close-ups so you guys can see. These ones retail for £53 and I just love these. I love the little accents of blue. I've been actually wearing these all week and I really like them. I haven't slept in them because I don't know, sleeping in dangly earrings kind of stresses me out, but I absolutely love these, so I will pop these on just so you guys can see what they look like. But honestly, I'm absolutely obsessed and I'm gonna have a real struggle now trying to put these in my ear. 10 minutes later she has done it. Next one. The next item I chose is this really beautiful gold chain. This is the Joseph chain, I think it's called, and this is also a £53 number. I absolutely adore this necklace so much. It's got a really lovely BU engraved on the middle and I just think that's so lovely because you're probably not going to see that if you're just walking by, but I absolutely love it. And again, I will pop this on so you guys can see what it looks like on. I just really love that so much. I think gold jewellery is lovely. I rarely wear it, but I really am getting into it at the moment, so I chose this one and I love it. And the last item I picked is this beautiful layered willow necklace. Now this one is £68. It is a bit more expensive, however I love the fact it's layered. I think it's such a beautiful design. I like the fact you can also put it on different lengths on the chain, so you can have it sitting wherever you like. I actually really like pairing it with this gold one. I don't know if you guys can see. I just think it looks really nice. So that is what I've been wearing recently and I absolutely love everything. So don't forget to go and check out the Louisa sale. I will leave it all in the description box so you guys can go and check it out, and if you do, let me know what you buy because I would love to know because I'm a real nosy person like that. So let me know, and yeah, now we're going to get into the Lush gift video. So the first gift I would recommend is definitely for somebody if you're going to be spending a little bit more money or you just want to treat somebody this Christmas, and that is the 12 Days of Christmas gift set. Now this gift set is £5. It is quite expensive, however you do get 12 really beautiful products inside. I am going to read them off of my laptop, just so you guys know that's why I'm looking down. But in this gift you get the Yognog Shower Gel Celebrate Body Milk, which is a gift exclusive. You can't just buy that in the shops anymore, so that is a really good one to go for. You also have Golden Pear Soap, Kinky Boots Bubble Bar, Butter Bear Bath Bomb, Winter Garden Bath Bomb, Candy Cane Bubble Bar, Polar Bear Plunge Bubble Bar, Roasting Chestnuts on Open Fire Bubble Bar, I can't talk today, Jingle Bells Bath Bomb, Orange Shower Scrub, and Once Upon a Time Body Lotion. Really great mix of products, especially if you know that they love Lush but you don't know what scents they like. It's definitely more of a festive gift, so it hasn't got Snow Fairy in or anything like bubblegummy, glittery, anything like that, but this is definitely more of a Christmas vibe. It's a good one. I recommend it. The next gift is definitely for your bath bomb lovers out there. If you know somebody that just loves a good bath, this is a good one. This is the Christmas bath time favourites, and it is £49. Inside this gift you have 10 really lovely bath bombs. Again, if you don't know what to buy somebody but you know they love a good bath, this is a really great one to go for. And again, it's a really lovely mix of scents as well. So inside this one you have Snow Fairy, Jingle Bells, Butter Bear, Shoot for the Stars, Snowman Dreaming, Luxury Lush Pud, Twilight, I Want Hippopotamus for Christmas, Angel's Delight, and Winter Garden. So you have a massive range. I love that they've put Twilight in there as well to make it like an all year roundy item, but Luxury Lush Pud does smell the same, so that kind of bothers me a little bit. But other than that, I think it's a really great gift, especially for, like I say, if you love a bath bomb, this is a good one. The next gift is for somebody who definitely loves their Snow Fairy. This is the Fairy Christmas gift. This one is £65. I do know they do a smaller version, so if you didn't want to spend as much, this is a really great option. However, inside this one you have the bath bomb, the bubble bar, the dusting powder, the body spray, the body conditioner, and the shower gel. I think I've mentioned everything. There's 7 products in there basically that all smell like Snow Fairy. So like I say, anyone that likes bubblegum, Snow Fairy, pink, glitter, that kind of vibe, that is the best one to go for. It's so nice, and the box is really, really cute. I love the packaging on that one. The next gift is the Christmas Bliss, which is £36, and I think this is probably one of my favourites because it has a mix of Snow Fairy and Twilight scented things. Both scents I really like, so I really, really recommend this gift. Also, the packaging is pink and purple, which are 2 of my fave colours, so highly recommend. But this one has the Snow Fairy Bath Bomb, the Sleepy Bubble Bar, Snow Fairy Shower Gel, I think it's the Deep Sleep Bath Bomb, the Sleepy Body Lotion, and the Sleepy Soap. 10 out of 10, I love that. You have 6 really nice products in there, and it's not that expensive either, so definitely a good one in my opinion. And last but by no means least is definitely a gift for somebody that you love a lot, because it is a big gift, and that is the Wow gift set for 2020. This gift set costs an absolute mammoth amount of £195, so it is definitely on the more expensive side, but again, if you know somebody that loves Lush and is obsessed with Lush and just wants all things Lush, this is a great gift to go for. I'm not going to sit here and go through every single product because there is 34 products I think inside, if my maths is correct. 32 items in the box. I can't maths. But there is everything. Shower gels, shower scrubs, bath bombs, bubble bars, lip scrubs, shower gels. Everything you could want is in this gift. So if you've got somebody that you love probably the most ever, that is the best gift to go for, especially if you don't have a budget so much. It's just amazing. It's so good. So those are all of the gifts I would recommend for over £20. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Also, don't forget to check out Anna Louisa, like I said at the start. I will leave all the links in the description box, so go and check them out, see if anything from the sale tickles your fancy, and let me know down below if you buy anything. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!